Today, we will talk about how to date an Aries woman. Let's have a look at the details. Aries is one of the most formidable signs in the zodiac, the female of the species being a more powerful and elusive creature than the male. It takes a lot of skill and nerve to date them. This video is meant to offer non-gender specific dating advice. Step 1. Be friendly, forthright, and light when showing your interest in an Aries female. Getting serious at the start will make you appear clingy, and there's no greater turnoff to an Aries woman than a clingy partner. Be light-hearted, make jokes, and above all, treat her platonically until she makes the first move. This is essential. Step 2. Don't be shy when asking for a date. When approaching her for a date, be confident, make eye contact, and smile. Step 3. Listen to her. The motto for the sign of Aries is, I am, and you'll understand why within the first few minutes of conversation. An Aries woman is a creature of her own mind, and often gets caught up in the nuances of her own identity and life goals. Provide positive feedback when prompted, and add your own advice. Step 4. Be truthful. When talking about yourself, be as honest and forthright as possible. Don't try to play mind games or conceal parts of your character. Aries women abhor dishonesty and duplicity and will dump you if they suspect that you're being less than truthful with them. Step 5. Don't be clingy. Let her set the pace for your relationship. Nurture a strong element of friendship and spontaneity when you are together, and keep things fun and interesting by trying new things together, working on something together, or engaging in friendly competition. Step 6. Look beyond the first glance. Aries women are characteristically very strong, loyal, level-headed, and focused on their goals. Some might say she appears rude at first, but try not to judge her too quickly in the initial encounters. Step 7. Understand that trust may be a problem. Trust has always been an issue for those born under the sign of Aries. Because they say what they mean, they expect everyone else to speak the truth as well. As a result, many Aries have been taken advantage of and used, repeatedly. She thinks everyone is just like her, and she would never take advantage of someone's trust. If you understand that this is one of her most appealing strengths, and also her greatest weakness, then you'll respect her premature trust and never take advantage of her. Step 8. Know that Aries women are supportive. If she is initially approached correctly, she can be very friendly, helpful, and loyal. At some point in time, she might be the only person you could turn to in all situations. Aries empathize with and actively support those who are struggling to survive, but they have little time for whiners, complainers, and unjustified depressives. Step 9. Never underestimate her in any way, and certainly never to her face. Don't doubt her or take away her liberty and freedom, and she will respect your trust and faith in her and will remain loyal and confident in you. Step 10. Never take this woman for granted. She will not like it and will rebel against you. She must get the respect she deserves. Make her feel special. Step 11. Know how an Aries woman will behave. She will appreciate everything that you have done for her. An Aries woman is a woman of action. She also sticks to what she says and does not change irrespective of time or season. She might exhibit small amounts of anger, but don't take this seriously, as it may be due to her professional life. She is very driven. And, Step 12. Know that you may not end up caring for her. Very few can be trusted to care for an Aries woman. Are you really strong enough, confident enough to handle this fiery and fearless female? Here's a hint. If you have to ask her to let you be the boss for a while, it means she is the dominant one. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.